Hello, welcome to my channel, Cozy Loop Crochet. Today's project, I'm going to be making a mat. You can use it in a bathroom or anywhere else that you think would be good to use. It's a very easy project. It's a circular mat, as you can see here. And this one that I already made from one end to the other is 24 inches, and you can go smaller or bigger, and it doesn't matter. It's only using single crochet, and very easy to make. It's all you need is a hook size, a big one. I used 10 millimeter, and you can even go bigger. With the yarn, it's 100% cotton, is macrame, and it's 4 millimeter. The thickness is 4 millimeter. It's thick enough for the mat, and you can wash this because it's cotton. It's machine washable, and I have bought this from Amazon, which I can put the link on the description below. So you need also a marker and a pair of scissors for this project. So let's start this. To start, we're gonna make a slip knot, and then we're gonna make 2 chains, and try to make 2 loose chains. This is 1 and 2. And then on your first chain in here, you're gonna do 6 single crochets. 1, and then put the marker on your first chain that you made here. Okay, and let's do 6 single crochet in this circle. I made 6 single crochet here. Now I'm gonna go to the first single crochet that I marked. Remember, we always mark the first one that we do here. So I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna do 2 single crochets in here. Okay, this is 1. I'm gonna make a first one with the marker. Put the marker in, 1, and then another one. 2, and then 2 on the next one. So after this row, we should have 12 single crochets because we had 6 here, and now we're gonna do 2 single crochets on each one. So let's do that until we get to the end of it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So on the next row, I'm gonna do 2 single crochets on this first one. This is 1. Put back my marker on the first one. 1 and then 2. 2 on this first one. Okay, and the next one is gonna be 1 chain on this next chain. one single crochet, sorry. And then next one, 2 single crochets. So this row has 2 single crochets on one, and then 1 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet again, one after the other. At the end, we're gonna have 18 chains. This is 2, and this is 1. So let's repeat this till we get to the end. I just had 2, and last one is 1 single crochet on the last chain, and if you count it, is 18 chains. Now we're gonna start the next row, and you always have 2 single crochets on this first chain. So let's do 2 single crochets. Okay, and on this row we're gonna have 2 single crochets and then 2 single crochets on these next 2 chains, and then we're gonna have 2 single crochets on the next. So we have this is why we're gonna have circles. So 1 single crochet here, 1 single crochet on the next, and then 2 single crochets on this next one. Okay, now 2 on the next 2 chains. Every one of these chains get 1 single crochet. Okay, so let's finish up this row. Okay, I'm done with that row, and I'm gonna have 2 single crochets in here, beginning. Since you have a very thick yarn, you should have a loose chains because then the next row is gonna be easier. Okay, on this row, first one, as I mentioned, okay, I have 2, right? So this was the first one. And 2 chains here. Now I'm gonna have 3 1 single crochets on each chains. Instead of 2, I'm gonna do 3, and then I'm gonna do 2 single crochets on this one chain. So as you go further, you're gonna have first you're gonna have 1 single crochet, and then 2, and then next row we had 2 single crochets in a row, and then 1 of chain for 2 single crochets, and then 3, and then next row we're gonna do 4 of these single crochets on each chains together, and then the next one would be doubling of the single crochets, and you just keep going and going, and it depends how big you want it, you want your mat to be. And as I showed you, my mat is 24 inches, and it's a pretty good size. I didn't actually count the rows, but on the part that I had single crochets on each one, I came up with 18, I believe. So if you can see, this is a double, and then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and then I had one for with 2 single crochet. So that's as many rows I did, and I hope you can make this mat is very easy and good for summer project. I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments for me, and I will put more video, and subscribe to my channel will help me a lot, and I will see you on the next projects. Thank you for watching.